Today during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about how metaphors are used to make comparisons. Remember that a metaphor compares two unlike things without using the words like or as. So today for your practice, you are going to create metaphors and also create literal descriptive sentences, which just means you're going to talk about what the sentence really means. The left column in the activity contains metaphors. The right has the literal descriptive sentences. If a metaphor is written, you're going to create the descriptive sentence that represents the metaphor. If the literal descriptive sentence is written, you'll create a metaphor that goes with that sentence. Type the sentence opposite in the empty box opposite of the metaphor or the descriptive sentence given. So let's take a look at it. Here is our activity. In this column we have metaphors, and in this column we have literal descriptive sentences. The ballerina was a feather floating lightly across the stage. We are going to write the literal meaning in this column over here. For the ballerina was a feather floating lightly across the stage. That means the ballerina danced effortlessly across the stage. You're going to look at the literal descriptive sentence and create a metaphor, or look at the metaphor and create a literal descriptive sentence for the rest of these examples. Submit on Schoology when finished.